Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to copper plate at home. First, ensure you have a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Next, gather your materials: a DC power supply, copper wire for the anode, and a suitable electrolyte solution. Finally, meticulously clean and degrease the item you wish to plate to ensure proper adhesion and a smooth finish. This preparation is crucial for successful results. Now, let's set up your plating bath. Connect the positive terminal of your DC power supply to your copper anode, which will be the source of the copper ions. Then, attach the negative terminal to the item you want to plate. This is your cathode. Carefully submerge both the anode and the cathode into your electrolyte solution, ensuring they do not touch each other. Maintain a distance of at least 1 inch between them for optimal plating. With your setup ready, it's time to start plating. Apply a low voltage, usually between 0.5 and 2 volts, to initiate the flow of current. You should observe copper beginning to deposit onto your item. Continuously monitor the process, adjusting the voltage slightly if the plating appears uneven or too slow. The duration of plating depends on the desired thickness, often ranging from 30 minutes to several hours for a good layer. Once your item has achieved the desired copper thickness, carefully remove it from the bath. Rinse it thoroughly with distilled water to remove any residual electrolyte. You can then polish the copper surface to enhance its shine and apply a clear lacquer or wax for protection against tarnishing. Remember to properly store or dispose of your electrolyte solution and clean all equipment for future use, ensuring safety and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.